Alright everyone, now let's see how to use standard React components in a more professional way inside a Next.js project. Instead of writing everything inside page.js, we can create a separate components folder because the components we create might be reused in different parts of the application. So inside the src folder, I create a new folder called components. Important detail, this is outside the app folder. Now inside components, I create a file called navbar.js. Then I create a React component called navbar. I take the navigation code from page JS and move it into this navbar component. So the structure is cleaner. Next, since we are using link inside navbar, also move the link import into navbar.js. Now, to use this component, we go back to page.js and import navbar. Thanks to our project configuration, we can import it using the alias like @/components/navbar. Then we simply render the navbar component inside page.js. And that's it. Now, when we refresh the page, everything works exactly the same, but our code is much cleaner and more maintainable. So the idea is simple. Reusable UI parts should be placed inside a components folder and then imported wherever needed. This is the professional way of structuring React components in Next.js.